Hello, my name is Tatiana, and before we start, I would like to invite you to like, comment, and subscribe if you find this hypnosis session beneficial or helpful to you in any way. Now, find a quiet, comfortable space where you can fully relax, free from any distractions. Close your eyes and take a nice, cleansing, deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow any tension, any worries to simply drift away and release, completely melting away, dissipating. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper and deeper into a state of complete and total relaxation. Imagine a warm, golden light gently washing over you, starting at the crown of your head, flowing down through your body like a soothing wave. This light carries the energy of pure, unconditional love, peace, and harmony. With each breath, you are becoming more and more relaxed, more open to receiving the deep, nurturing, pure love within you. As you continue to breathe, imagine yourself standing at the top of a beautiful staircase. It's leading down into a peaceful, sacred space of comfort, healing, and love. With each step down, you feel yourself becoming lighter, more relaxed, more open, more connected to the truth of who you are. 10, 9, sinking deeper into relaxation and comfort. 8, feeling a warm, comforting presence. 7, 6, feeling completely safe and at peace, even more relaxed. 5, 4, surrounded by a soft glow of pure love. 3, 2, and 1. Stepping down into a serene, beautiful, sacred garden of your soul. Now, in this beautiful, sacred, serene space, feel the presence of pure, radiant love all around you, encompassing you. This love has always been here. It is within you. It is you. Gently place your hands over your heart and feel its gentle, steady rhythm, reminding you that you are alive. You are here. That you are in fact love itself. Feel that. Know it. A soft voice within you speaks. You are worthy of love. You have always been worthy. You are a divine being of light, created from love, existing in love. Any old beliefs that told you otherwise simply dissolve now, effortlessly, like mist in the morning sun. Feel this truth sinking deep into your being. Feel love filling every cell of your body, all of the nook and cranny of your body, lighting up your entire being, radiating more and more from your heart, expanding outward. You are whole. You are enough. Just as you are. You are cherished just as you are. Now I ask you to speak these words. Let them become your truth, because they are true. Feel them resonating deeply within you. I am love. I am loved. I am lovable. I embrace myself with kindness, compassion, and understanding. I honor my true self and accept myself completely. I release any past doubts and fears as they no longer serve me. I radiate pure love and receive pure love easily and effortlessly every day. I trust in my worth and embrace the beauty of who I truly am. With each affirmation, feel these words taking root, anchoring into your subconscious mind, replacing any limiting beliefs and thoughts, aligning you with your highest truth. Now take a moment to bask in this feeling of pure, unconditional love. Imagine this love surrounding you like a warm embrace or a nice warm cocoon, always present, always supporting you, always loving you. Know that this love is yours to carry with you always. It is your true essence. It is your truth. And anytime you wish to reconnect with it, all you need to do is place your hands over your heart and breathe slowly and deeply, remembering you are love. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling yourself returning to the present moment. And when you are ready, take a deep breath, open your eyes, fully awake into this present moment, feeling peaceful, relaxed, deeply loved, and connected to your true self. I encourage you to take this feeling with you throughout your day, every day, knowing that you are always surrounded by love, always worthy of love, because it is in fact your true birthright. Always embodying love, because that is who you truly are. And so it is. Have a beautiful day. Have a beautiful evening.